This is actually a 52-inch unknown ceiling fan, or 4 seasons on Texas ceiling fan, or I do not know. Must be an unknown ceiling fan. Brushed teal. So I'm going to show you all speeds: rosewood to oak blades. And I'm going to show you all 3 speeds. First the light. Tell me what model is this in the comments. This is installed in my dad's house. My dad's new house when they moved in. Okay, fan low. Yeah, it just had this line in there. I don't know how. Medium. Yeah. We have the other one in the living room, but it wobbles. High. Okay, wait. Sorry about that. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Bye-bye.